Hi, my name is Diane Groff, and I am the manager at the Center for People with Disabilities Longmont office. Our mission here at CPWD is to assist people with disabilities in overcoming barriers to independent living. There are many barriers for people with disabilities in our community and our society. One of the major barriers is access to public buildings and other areas such as parks, restaurants, stores, transportation. Places of employment often have barriers to access. For some people with disabilities, a service animal can be a tremendous help and guide when navigating public and private buildings and other areas, particularly for people who have visual impairments or need some other assistance provided by a service animal. However, service animals, their function and roles are not always understood. In fact, right here in our community, just a couple of years ago, there was an upset and even a lawsuit that started with someone using their service animal to help them go into a place of business. Rather than talk about the laws and rights of service animals, we'd like to offer education to all people. Help them understand why some people need service animals to get around, how this works, and what reasonable expectations are both for people with service animals and business owners. That's why we're applying for a grant from the Unity Fund. If awarded, we would use the funds to create service animal awareness in our community by doing the following. We would host educational sessions in the community, including outreach opportunities with the Longmont Chamber and by invitation to local businesses. We will purchase written materials, stickers, and posters that we can distribute to business owners. The written materials outline reasonable expectations for using service animals and can be used to inform employees and business owners. The stickers can be placed in the windows of businesses to show that they understand and support service animals. By providing education and educational resources, we believe we can better inform our community business owners about service animals and perhaps even soften some of the tensions that may have arisen from the incident a few years ago. Even more, we will be doing our job of creating a more integrated community that supports access to places for people with disabilities and staying true to our mission of helping people with disabilities overcome barriers to independent living. We hope that you will find this effort valuable and worthy and join us in educating our local community in this way by supporting us and our community with this grant. Thank you for your time and consideration and for the work that you provide to our community.